Good morning to you all. How are you all? Fine? Okay, so students, today we are going to study subject English of class 3. Okay, yes. So in the previous lecture we have started lesson number 2. What we are going to study? Lesson number 2, that is Nina and the baby sparrows. Okay, we have already learned the story. Yes. Now we are moving further with the next exercise, that is question answers. First of all, take out your Marigold workbook. Yes, you have to open this book. Okay, and page number you will open 1515. Okay, this page you will open it. Okay, yes. Now what is the first exercise? That is answer the questions. Okay, so what is the first one? See, why was there great joy in Nina's house? Okay, so we have already learned in the story कि जो नीना है, the girl is there. Why was a great joy in her house? क्यों थी? Because, so you will start from there. Okay, यहाँ से हम start करेंगे. There was great joy in Nina's house as Nina's aunt was getting married. उसके house में क्यों great joy थी? Why everyone was happy? Because her aunt was getting married. Okay, so we'll write. See, you will start with the question only. Okay, question में हम there से start करेंगे. So there was great joy in Nina's house. क्यों great joy थी? This much is from question. ये पूरा there से लेके house तक पूरा question में से है. Okay, so thereafter there was great joy in Nina's house as Nina's, in Nina you will put apostrophe s. Okay, and your n should be capital because ये name है person का, so n हमारा capital होना चाहिए. So house as Nina's aunt was getting married. तो married का स्पेलिंग क्या होता है? M-A-R-R-I-E-D, married. Okay, so did you understand how we have to write? हम पहले क्वेश्चन में से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. Here, there was great joy in Nina's house as Nina's aunt was getting married. Okay, clear after this? Okay, good. Now next, what is second number? See, why was Nina's mother upset? अब नीना की जो मम्मा है वो क्यों अपसेट थी? So she was upset. क्यों अपसेट हुई थी उसकी मम्मा? Because when her mother take her to a market, that time Nina didn't buy anything. नीना ने कुछ भी नहीं खरीदा मार्केट में से. That's why her mother was very upset. So we'll write. Okay. Yes. So instead of Nina's mother, we'll write she. हम यहाँ पे pronoun use करेंगे. So she was upset. Why she was upset? Because this much you will write from question. See, she was upset because Nina, again your n should be capital. Nina did not come. Short form लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, so didn't bought anything. What happens here? She was upset because Nina didn't bought anything from the market. Okay, क्यों उसकी मम्मा अपसेट हुई थी? Because जब उसकी मम्मा उसको मार्केट लेके जाती है, she didn't bought anything. उसने कुछ भी नहीं खरीदा. That's why. Okay, so did you understand? Okay, now third number. Why did Nina started crying? अब जो नीना है, why did she started crying? Because Nina does not want to go to marriage. वो क्यों रोने लगी थी? Because उसको marriage में नहीं जाना था. Why she didn't want to go? because उसकी जो room है, yes, her room was there. On that, in room on the bookshelf there was a sparrow's nest. That's why she didn't want to go. So we'll write, see, because Nina does not want to leave. What she does not want to leave? उसको क्या नहीं छोड़ के जाना था? She does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Yes. So because Nina does not want to leave the now baby sparrows. So B should be capital and here S should be capital. Baby sparrows does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Okay, did you understand how we have to write? Yes. Now fourth number, what is given? See. Where was the sparrow's nest? अब sparrow's nest कहाँ था? Come on, answer me. The sparrow's nest was on the bookshelf in Nina's room. कहाँ पे था? नीना के रूम में था. But where? On the bookshelf. So we'll write the question में से लिखेंगे पहले. The sparrow's nest. इतना तुमको क्वेश्चन में से लिखना है यहाँ से. The sparrow's nest. Okay? Sparrow's nest was on the bookshelf. Bookshelf का स्पेलिंग क्या होता है? BOOKSHELF. So the sparrow's nest was on the bookshelf. Where was the bookshelf? In Nina's room. Okay, did you understand? Yes. Now fifth number. How many baby sparrows were there in the nest? कितने baby sparrows थे? So there were 2 baby sparrows. So just you have to write this one. 5 number में हम सिर्फ इतना ही लिखेंगे. There were 2. सिर्फ 2 ही याद रखना है. बाकी पूरा क्वेश्चन में से all is from the question. See, there were 2 baby sparrows in the nest. Okay, so just you have to remember 2. So there were 2 baby sparrows in the nest. Okay, clear? Now see, what is the next number? 6th number. What did Nina tell her mother about the baby sparrows? अब जो नीना है वो अपनी मम्मा को baby sparrows के बारे में क्या बोलती है? See, she told her mother that the sparrows are just beginning to get their feathers and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry chip chip asking for food. अब जो नीना है अपनी मम्मा को क्या बोल रही है? That there are the baby sparrows. They are just beginning to get feathers. Means अभी just उनके feathers begin हुए हैं, feathers आने. Okay. And as they are growing, that's why they all day cry, say chip chip and asking for the what? Food. Why? Because they get very hungry. Okay. Now 7 number. Why was Nina worried? Nina क्यों worried थी? So Nina was worried about the baby sparrows in the nest that would be left hungry if no one remained at home on the day of the wedding. Why was Nina worried? Because if they all will go to the wedding, so who will take care of baby sparrows? है ना? Yes, so that's why. So who will feed to the baby sparrows if she will not be at the home? Okay. Now next, last 8th number is what did mother suggest? तो उसकी मम्मा उसको क्या suggest करती है? Come on, answer me. Yes, we have learned in the story that her mother suggests that we will take out all the things from the room and we will leave window open. So that's why. So the baby sparrows can be fed by her mama sparrow and the papa sparrow. क्या बोला था उसकी मम्मा ने कि हम जो है रूम में से सारी चीजें बाहर हॉल में रख देंगे एंड वी विल लॉक द रूम एंड हम विंडो ओपन कर देंगे। सो जो मामा स्पैरो एंड पापा स्पैरो है वो अपने बेबी स्पैरो को अच्छे से फीड कर सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ टर्न द पेज 16 नंबर। व्हाट डिड नीना फाइंड? 9 number. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? What did she find? Nina found 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. Plump means, I have explained, plump means fat. So जब वो गई थी तो इतने छोटे छोटे से little sparrows were there, right? But when she came at that time there were 2 plump little sparrows. Means जो sparrow वो छोटे छोटे छोड़ के गई थी that had become fat now. Okay, clear? Okay, अब देखो next exercise क्या है 16 नंबर पे। Write the correct options A, B, C और D in the box. Okay, so first one, everyone was happy because dash. Why was everyone happy? हमने first answer में पढ़ा था because Nina's aunt was getting married. So यहाँ पे क्या है? They were going to see options क्या है? They were going to the market. They were buying new clothes. C option है there were baby sparrows in the house. और last है they were going to Delhi for the wedding. वो कहाँ जा रहे थे? They were going to Delhi. That's why सब लोग बहुत happy थे. Okay, so you will write here in the first one. What is the option? B is there, right? And what is written? They were going to Delhi for the wedding. Okay, now next one. Mother was upset because, so why was mother upset? We are on here. Why? Because Nina did not bought anything from the market. So what is that in the? That is in the C option. Okay? Yes. Now next it is given to you. Who was not happy? Happy कौन नहीं था? Who was not happy, children? Yes, very good. Nina was not happy. So Nina हमारा कौन सा ऑप्शन में दिया है हमको? It is given in the A option. So we'll write A in the box. Okay? Yes. What was there on the bookshelf in Nina's room? Okay, so this is very easy answer. Come on, tell me. What was there? There was a sparrow's nest. So again यहाँ पे हमारा है D. Okay? Yes. Now next it is given to you. Nina was worried about dash. अब ऑप्शन है पापा स्पैरो, ममा स्पैरो, बेबी स्पैरो या फिर द नेस्ट. So she was worried about the baby sparrows. So हम लिखेंगे C. Now 6 number it is. What is given? How many baby sparrows were there? So कितने baby sparrows थे? Yes, very good. There were 2 baby sparrows है ना? Okay. Now see what is the next number given? 7 number. Where was the nest? अब nest कहाँ पे था? Nest was on the bookshelf. Okay, so हम C लिखेंगे. Next. The baby sparrows cried for food the whole day because dash. So जो baby sparrows है वो पूरा दिन क्यों cry करते थे? Why they cried for the food? C option A. They were hungry. B. They were growing up. C. Papa sparrows was out. या फिर D. Mama sparrow was out. So क्या था? वो लोग क्यों रोते थे? Because they get very hungry. 9 number. What was the Nina worried about? Nina किसके बारे में worried थी? She was worried about how Papa and the Mama sparrow will feed their baby sparrows. अब देखो option. A is the crying of baby sparrows. B. The nest. C. How Papa and Mama sparrow would look after babies. और last है how Papa and Mama sparrow would feed the babies. तो कौन सा आएगा? 9 नंबर में आएगा D. ये अगर वो लोग वेडिंग पे चले जाएंगे तो जो पापा और ममा स्पैरो है वो अपने बेबी को फीड कैसे करेंगे, है ना? Now 10 number. Mother suggested, what she suggested? To leave the window open. Okay? Yes. Now next see what is given. When Nina came back, so what happens when Nina comes back? So there were 2 plump little sparrows were flying around. Okay, so in the last number you will put D. Okay, clear? Okay, now question number 3 is fill in the blanks. So, what is the first one written in the question 3? C. Dash did not want to go for the wedding. Wedding के लिए किसको नहीं जाना था? Who did not want to go? Options भी है. 2, Nina, Plum, Sparrow Nest या फिर Window. किसको नहीं जाना था? Nina did not want to go. So N should be capital and you will write Nina in the fill in the blanks. Okay. Now second number. There was a dash on the bookshelf. तो bookshelf के ऊपर क्या था? Yes, very good. Sparrows nest है ना? Bookshelf के ऊपर sparrow का nest है? Yes, very good. Now next it is given third number. There were dash baby sparrows in the nest. So कितने baby sparrows थे? How many were there? There were 2 baby sparrows. Yes, so you all remember the story? Yes, now next. Mother suggested to leave the dash open. So what should the mother suggested? To leave the window open, है ना? Now fifth number it is given to you. When Nina came back, 2 dash little sparrows were flying all over the room. So what were there? Plump sparrows were there, है ना? Plump means you all know fat. Clear? Now next true or false है यहाँ पे. Everyone was happy except Nina. True or false? सब लोग happy थे, but Nina was not happy. So हम लिखेंगे true. Now next, Nina's mother was upset because she did not buy anything. So why she was upset? उसकी मम्मा क्यों upset थी? क्योंकि उसकी जो नीना है, right? Her daughter is there. उसने कुछ भी नहीं खरीदा. That's why she was upset. Okay. Next, there was a sparrow's nest in Nina's room. Sparrow का nest था? Yes. So we will write true. Now 4 number. There was 1 baby sparrow in the nest. 1 baby sparrow था? No, there were 2 baby sparrow. So 4th number में लिखेंगे false. Now next, the baby sparrows cried for food all day long because mama sparrow were not there. वो क्यों cry करते थे? Because they get hungry. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे false. Mother suggested to leave the window open. So ये बात सही है या गलत है? It is true. Yes. So you will write true. Now next, mother removed all the things from Nina's room and locked the door. तो उन लोगों ने क्या किया था? पूरा जो है वो things बाहर निकाल दी थी. Yes. So that is true. And last number, when Nina came back, she did not see the baby sparrows in the room. So this is true. No, this is false. Now next, see question number 5 में क्या है? True of sorry, rhyming words are there. Okay, but here you have to write rhyming word with the beginning letter. So THINK think दिया हुआ है, तो तुमको TH से word start करना है, वैसे rhyming word लिखना है. So here you will write thin. Okay, and दूसरा word क्या लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे? Tree. Okay, but your word should start with TH. Clear? Now next it is given. Second number दिया है grow. Okay, grow is given. So GR से word start करना है. वो किससे? GR से. So grass. And you can write green also. है ना? Yes. Now third number it is given chain. So what is given? CHAIN. So your word start with CH. So यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं chalk. And दूसरा क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? Syrup. Okay. Now 4 number C. What is given to you? Hug. 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 So हमारा word किससे start होना चाहिए? H और U से. So hug लिखा है, तो हम यहाँ पे use कर सकते हैं huge. And another we can write hungry. है ना? Yes. Now 5 number C. What is given to you? Fool it is given. FOOL. Fool. So you can write here food also. Your word should start with the FOO. So food, and next you can write food. Okay? Yes. So we have completed here Now we will meet in the next lecture with the new exercise. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.